Welcome to Signal to Alpha, your essential market briefing. I'm Lady Muriel, cutting through the noise to deliver what moves markets today. Let's get you your alpha before the opening bell. We've got market-moving developments across three critical zones today: political power shifts, government spending surges, and economic warning signals that demand your attention. Let's start with Washington's grip on markets. Trump's primary sweep is complete. 37 out of 37 endorsed candidates won Tuesday, cementing unprecedented party control. Most dramatic? Ed Galbraith crushing 14-year incumbent Thomas Massie in Kentucky's 4th District by nearly 10 points. This wasn't just politics. It was the most expensive House primary in history at $32 million. Markets watching governance capability should note, this consolidation comes as Republicans struggle to pass legislation through narrow Senate margins. Now the quantum computing surge. 9 companies, including IBM, D-Wave Quantum, and PsiQuantum, just secured $2 billion in government grants plus minority equity stakes from the Commerce Department. Quantum stocks rallied hard in early Thursday trading. This represents a major industrial policy bet potentially reshaping the tech sector landscape. But here's your caution flag. Nvidia reported last night. They beat expectations with strong guidance and no margin contraction, yet the stock fell 1% in extended trading. Why? The market demands perfection from the world's largest company. When expectations are this elevated, even stellar earnings can disappoint. That's your signal that froth remains in megacap tech. The housing bill passed in the House. It included a proposed measure to ban large institutional investors from purchasing new single-family homes. In the Senate, a related forced sale requirement was removed after industry pushback. The bill now heads to the Senate, where it faces a 60-vote threshold. If it passes, expect potential impacts on build-to-rent sectors and REIT valuations. Meanwhile, economic storm clouds gather. A recent Fox News poll indicated that Trump's economic disapproval is notably high, with the majority of respondents viewing the overall economy as struggling. Concerns over the cost of living and worsening family finances were prominent, and gas prices continue to dominate voter anxiety. That brings us to geopolitical risk. Former Trump envoy Morgan Ortagus warned yesterday that Iran may be using negotiations to buy time while Trump has paused strikes. The president extended diplomatic talks at Gulf allies' request, but Iran rejected zero enrichment demands. This fragile ceasefire creates ongoing oil market volatility and Middle East risk premiums. One more eyebrow raiser. Trump's IRS case settled for $1.776 billion in an anti-weaponization fund, plus a permanent audit ban on Trump, relatives, and related businesses. Legal experts say the tax law questions this raises will be analyzed for years. Bottom line, political consolidation meets economic anxiety. Quantum bets signal industrial policy shifts. Housing legislation could reshape residential investment. And geopolitical negotiations remain fragile. Position accordingly. That's your signal to alpha for today. Subscribe for tomorrow's essential market briefing. Trade smart, stay informed. Check us out at capitalcopilot.io.